Hi, welcome to the T Academy. This video is talking about doubles. Now a double is just like you might think it is. When you roll two dice and you get two numbers that are the same, that is a double. Over here on this side, you'll see any of the combinations of doubles that we focus on in first grade. And the reason we focus on doubles is because it's a good baseline for children to do mental math with. It helps them, they can use doubles in multiple ways to get answers quickly. And our main goal with doubles is just to take these facts and to memorize them. We want them to know as soon as they see 4 plus 4, we want them to know the answer is 8. We don't want them to have to take the time to hold up four fingers and count each one, or start on 4 and count up 4 more. We just want them to know 4 plus 4 is 8. As soon as they hear 7 plus 7, we want them popping out the number 14. As soon as they hear 10 plus 10, most kids know this for sure, that it's 20. And we just want, as soon as they see this number sentence, we want them to know the answer and pop it out. It's kind of like sight words, but for math, where in a sight word, as soon as they see the word the, we want them to know it. We don't want them to have to take the time to sound it out. And it's the same thing with doubles. As soon as they see that number sentence 3 plus 3, we want 6 to pop in their mind immediately. And if they can learn these double facts where they know it as soon as they see it, it makes other math that they will come to much easier. So these are our double facts that we focus on. And if you notice over here, we also use our doubles to help us subtract. So we teach the kids this strategy that if you know 3 plus 3 equals 6, then you also know that 6 minus 3, ooh, that makes me think of my double, so the answer must be 3. Or we teach them to be thinking about 14 minus 7, oh, 14 reminds me of my double 7 plus 7, so the answer must be 7. So we can use doubles to help us both add and subtract. And the last part of this video, I just thought I would share with you a jazzy little song that we use to help teach the kids about doubles, and it's called the Doubles Rap. This is the way it goes. So it's the doubles, baby, let's go, let's go. It's the doubles, baby, and it starts with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Dig and delve. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 8 plus 8 equals 16. You're a queen. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. So we use this little song to help teach the kids their doubles and give them a visual to help them until they do truly get it memorized.